Hi guys, Hypno here, and today I would like to do some unboxing. This time is a smartwatch from TOZO S1. So okay, let's do it. My handy toothpick. Okay. I hate when it's back like that, so hard to remove this package. Maybe not. Okay. Right, we don't need that. Okay. Wow. 18 months warranty card. So yeah, that's always nice to see. Some manual. Okay. Quick start guide. Right. Okay, little beauty smartwatch itself. Right, I'm really looking forward to see how it's gonna work, what it can. Let's try to switch it on. Okay, is that the it might be. Oh no, it's switching on. Okay. Obviously the time it's wrong because it's not synchronized with any phone yet. Okay, I can see some steps, some heart rate, and some calories burned. Battery is nearly full, so yeah, it looks promising. Okay, I'm really looking forward to test it. Right, let's see what is in the mysterious box. Okay, some spare strap. Okay, maybe let's double check if it's maybe smaller size or it's just the spare ones. Yep, it's a smaller size, so it's for female, for example, or for kids. Right, and obviously, okay, little USB charging cable. That's something with the little magnet. Okay, so it comes to the back of the watch. Okay, right size. Oh, it's really handy. So okay, I can tell if you trying to put in the wrong size is definitely not. It's just moving out. So saying now it's the wrong way. When you put it in the right direction, it clicks automatically with no problems. That's really cool. I really like that charger. Yeah, it's really nice made. Okay, so yeah, so that's what's in the box, and I will see in practice how it's gonna work. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching and have a great day. Bye for now.